Three of our top selling products and services are this. Number one, it's our social media marketing. We help our clients create a strategy that will increase their engagement exponentially online, especially with Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Those are our three sweet spots when it comes to social media platforms. We help create custom content that is tailor-made to their business and their brand. We don't recycle images on Google because essentially that's what everybody else is doing. So no one's going to really pay attention to your social media if all you're doing is taking somebody else's quotes and images. So what we do is we bring out the brand and the content from our clients based on what they actually do, what they believe, their values, their mission, and we bring that to life on social media through video, through images, and through posts. The second thing that is rocking it is our video marketing. We love making videos. There's just something about that play button on when you're in your feed, when you're in a feed that makes you want to push it. And so we really believe that video is the best way to drive engagement and create an audience and get attention. So we help our clients understand that, and then we create a strategy based on their business, their brand. And the third service that we offer that's new is SEO. I don't know if you realize, but your website is in competition with every other website on every search engine whenever anyone searches anything. And so what we have done is we brought a team into our organization where we do SEO services. We offer three different options for small businesses to mid-size and even businesses with a lot of locations around the country and the world. So we help them understand how to optimize their content, and we do this for our clients, optimize all their content on their websites. We make sure their Google My Listing is updated and relevant. We do all kinds of different things, but this will help you get ahead of the competition, because if you want to win the war on the internet, you got to be in the 3-pack and on the first page of Google. So we do that with our clients.